Before taking action, back up your important emails and data. This is crucial to avoid losing any valuable information. Navigate to the Outlook website and log into your account. Make sure you have all necessary credentials accessible. In your settings, locate the Account section. This is where the next steps live. Scroll down and find the Delete Account option. Be cautious, this action is irreversible. Click on Delete Account and follow the prompts. Outlook will guide you through the final steps. After confirmation, your account will be permanently deleted. Celebrate your fresh start. Understand that once deleted, you cannot recover your account. Plan accordingly. Consider creating a new email account with different providers for better security. Stay vigilant about privacy and regularly review your online accounts. Remember, managing your digital presence is essential in today's world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.